Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel. Peter! Boom, 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 review stuff. And I am so excited to review this product that was sent to me today. It has been sitting on my kitchen counter, and I have to just tell you that the scents, S-C-E-N-T-S, that they sent me have literally been wafting through our kitchen. Alex, like, when can we plug that thing in? I was like, well, I have to do the review of it first. So let me tell you, I was going to use it for like a week, and then I was gonna get on here and I was gonna make a video. It's getting darker and darker. I have got to go pack. I'm leaving for San Diego. If you are watching this, I'm probably in San Diego by now. But anyway, I was going to like use this for a week and then do the review of it. But I actually think what I'm gonna do, because this is so cool and I wanna talk about it, and no, this is not sponsored. They just were kind enough to send it to me, and I said, hey, I'll do an honest review. They reached out to me. They were very persistent, which to me tells me that they really, really believe in their product. I love that. It's interesting because a lot of people, when they reach out to me to review their products on my review channel, and I get a lot of like people reaching out and saying, will you review this, will you review that? And I'm like, yeah, sure. And then they're like, okay, but here's the talking points. And I'm like, I'm doing the review, okay? You're not giving me talking points on a review, okay? This isn't a sponsored video. Do you know what I mean? So anyway, they didn't do that. They were so nice. I jokingly say persistent. They weren't, they weren't, no. But they kept on emailing me. And I was so excited when I saw this. It's a, so what it is it's like a room diffuser, okay? Are you guys so excited? So it's called Pura. And this is what the box looks like when it comes. Now, I literally just took it out and I put it back together. The scents are on top, okay? So I got 4 of them, and they look like little bottles, and I'll show them to you in a second, but I got pumpkin clove, because y'all know I love the pumpkins, okay? And then I got Yuzu Citron. You can't really see it there. And then I got fir and firewood. I'm really excited about this one, but and I am so excited about this. Okay, when she reached out to me and said that they have new scents, and she said this is what, they were like teaming up with like Anthropology and some other stores. When she said that they have the Capri Blue Volcano, I was like, we have to have the Capri Blue Volcano. And let me tell you why. One of our favorite candles, now you know my husband and I, we love candles. One of our favorite candles, we've actually had this forever. It's just like, it's still, this was like, how much was it? Probably says on the bottom, $28, and we've had this forever and burned it forever. This is an actual Volcano Capri Blue candle. It's fantastic. Oh my God, it smells just exactly like this. So anyway, this is what, they have really, really cool scents on here. Now I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. But first I wanna read you a little bit about it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it for a week when we get back, and I will do like a follow-up kind of review. Because I also need to do a follow-up to my headphones that I got, the Sony headphones, but I can just tell you I love them, okay? Those are amazing. So the future of home fragrance. And then it goes underneath here and it says, yes, fill the air with a scent that just might get her in the mood. And it's talking about mom. It says this is a perfect gift for mom. Pura pairs with iOS and Android. Okay, so it's like, so there's some things you can do. Like you could, if you're not at the house, I believe this is how it works. You can turn it on from your app on your phone. So like if you know you're having like a dinner party or people coming over and you're like, okay, I don't want the house to stink. Oh my God, does your house stink? It better not stink. But then you can be like, okay, I'm gonna like turn this on from my phone. That's how I believe that it works. Oh, hold on a second. Best gifts for mom collection. Perfect for the essential oil level. Love her. Love her. Pura Scent Smart Fragrance Dispenser allows users to keep their home smelling fresh like never before. Yes, fill the air with a scent that just might get her in the mood. I don't know if that's mom or who. Pura pairs with iOS and Android, enabling users to customize how aromas are released. And then it goes in here and it shows all this, and it says you can become an ambassador. I'm not an ambassador. Oh my God, I wish I was though. Okay. So Pura Smart Home Fragrance Diffuser is $34.99. And then it goes in here and it has all these reviews from people and all this stuff. You can follow them on Instagram and all this kind of stuff. Okay. So let me tell you all of the fragrances they have. I'm gonna read them to you really, really quick. They have Alpine Fern, Asian Woods and Spice, Vanilla Chiffon, Harvest Pumpkin, Yuzu Citron, Simply Lavender, Amber Oud, oh, I like that one, Apple Orchards, I like that one, Pacific Aqua, Pink Jasmine, Golden Mimosa, Velvet Wineberry, Linens and Surf, Dragonberry, oh my God, so many, Blue Amber, Green Tea Citrus, Pink Peony and Silk, and Tuscan Neroli. So I wonder why this new one isn't on here. There's a couple that aren't on here that I got. I wonder if maybe those are like the newer ones that they haven't come out with yet. Okay, so The device, home fragrance diffuser, features control from anywhere for your convenience and those unexpected guests. Swap between 2 fragrances to never tire of a scent or to reflect your mood. Set custom schedules to keep your house smelling fresh and match your lifestyle. Adjust scent intensely to your preference and the size of your space. Enable geofencing to let Pura welcome your home. Customize the ambient night light to your style, okay? And then it says, find Pura at Amazon, and then something else, Anthropology, coming soon. New features will be available on all devices at the same time regardless of when you purchase. And they have, like, new scents coming out, okay? And let's see. Oh, what else it says on here? Okay. Oh, it's just showing pictures. Okay, and then at the bottom, the overall review out of 161 reviews is 4.8 out of 5. That's really pretty high. Bath & Body Works Wallflower user here. I have officially been converted to Pura. Goodbye overpriced wallflowers that only last a few weeks. Hello Pura. I love that I can set timers and have certain scents flow through my home at different times, and the smells. So far I have apple orchard and harvest pumpkin. My house is so ready for autumn. Next one, 5 stars. I love that I can set the schedule to begin filling the house with great smells right before I wake up. Next one, I love, this is from Shelby. Drink your juice, Shelby. I love that I can, I haven't seen that movie in forever. I was gonna say for so forever. Family friendly. Okay, I just threw that out. I have to throw a family friendly into every video. I love that I can control it on my phone. I can make it stronger, change the light, or just turn it off while I'm away. It's the best. So this is why I'm waiting until I get back, because I want to do the unboxing, but then I want to really sit down and figure out how to do it. I'm gonna show you all that. It'll be very, very cool. Works great. Love the diffuser. I mean, these are just one great review after another. Let's see, I have loved my diffuser and scents. They're easy to install and set up. Can't wait for yummy holiday scents. Is there any, let me see if there's any review on here that's not great. Let's see. They're all 5-star reviews. This is crazy. Wonderful, what can I say about this device other than the fact that I've gotten 4 other friends to purchase one because they're so perfect. Love, love, love that you can control the scent intensity. Love that it's a smartphone controlled, and I can turn it on and off from anywhere on my phone. The nightlight features, it's great with all the choices and color and bright, it's constant good reviews. That's so, well, where's the lesson? They're all 5 reviews. Where's the lesser one? It's an honest review. I'm trying to go in here and say, oh, they even responded to some of these reviews. I live, okay. That's so nice when people respond to the reviews, isn't it? Where is the end of the last review? I cannot find one review in here that is not a 4 point, I don't know. So anyway, okay. Other than any questions, can I use my own essential oils or do I need to purchase the Pura scents specifically? Thanks for your question. The Pura device is designed to be used with our fragrances or our partner brands. From the QR code on the back of each fragrance vial, the device knows how to use the optimized temperature scale for that specific fragrance. Hope this answers your question. Safe for pets. Thanks for reaching out. Pura is 100% safe for pets. Does the diffuser come with any fragrances or do I need to purchase separate? First time customer. The diffuser doesn't come with any fragrances. Fragrances are sold separately to allow you to pick the ones you prefer. I kind of do wish that it would at least come with one choice of a fragrance. I would say that. Can the night light function be turned off completely with the scent still diffusing? Yes, the night light can be turned off completely with the scent still diffusing. Oh my lord, there's so many questions. How long will the scents last? How often do I need to change them? They last about 15 days on a medium intensity. Well, how much are the scents? Let's see how much each scent bottle is. Fragrances. They're $12. So $12 every 15 months means you're paying $24 a month. Or for 15 days means you're paying $24 for a month. So I don't know, is that expensive? Do you guys think that's not expensive for a diffuser? We don't use diffusers, so this will be interesting for us. We have in the past. But we bought the ones that you just buy, you know, the Buyer, the Target, or the Walmart, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me show you. Well, first of all, here's what the little bottles look like. We'll open one of these and show you. The vials. This is Yuzu Citron, and it's just a little bottle, and it looks like that. See? Christmas. Christmas is coming, the goose is getting fat. Hey, and by goose, we mean me. Pumpkin pie. I love pumpkin pie so much. Oh my god. I can have a piece of pumpkin pie right now. Okay. Here is the dessert, I was gonna say. Here it is. Are y'all ready? They sent me a little note. I already read it. Peter! We're excited for you to try Pura. Hope you like our new Capri Blue scents. It smells so good. Okay, this is the box. Look at the box. It's so cool, isn't it? That's gonna be my thumbnail. I love presents. Do you guys love presents? I love them so much. Okay, so then you open your box right here. This looks like an Apple deal. This is a big, oh, shoot! Can't we have nice things in this house, my Lanta? Everything's fine, everything's fine. It's still together, don't worry about it. Okay, here it is. But I wanted to show it in the box, how nice everything looks. My mother always said, don't cry over spilt milk, and I'm not going to, okay? Okay, now I need the light to kind of go out a little bit so I can, do you know what I'm talking about? There's my thumbnail. Okay, so this is the Pura device. Ooh, and it comes with instructions. I don't like instructions, but it shows in the back exactly what you do. It has your phone on here. Very easy. Download and launch the Pura app. Create an account and follow the app onboarding steps. Scan QR code or back of device and then plug it in facing up. Finish remaining steps in the app and enjoy your Pura. For a more detailed onboarding, visit, and then it tells you underneath here. So it's all real self-explanatory. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. Okay, so when I get back, do you guys, I think this is such a cool concept. I really have to tell you, when they reached out to me, I was so excited about this. So I think you should sponsor a video for it. Oh my God, a sponsored video. Don't you think that put it in the comment section if you think that Pura should sponsor a video on my other channel. I do believe that they should. So anyway. But I was so excited about that. I ain't gonna lie, okay? It's honest reviews over here all the time, okay? Get ready. Because you know what I'm doing? Let me turn down the, why is it so bright in here? Let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm getting ready to do a review of the comments, okay? I'm doing a review this week on the comments I've received on this channel, so just get ready. But anyway, I think this is such a cool concept. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you purchase this? Now, when I get back, okay, next week, I am going to use this for a week, and then I will do a follow-up video on how I feel about this. But I'm super, super excited for our whole house to smell like Volcano by Capri Blue. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will link the website. You guys can go check it out for yourself. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.